In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to render into out, which means pre-processing a selected section of your timeline so it plays back smoothly. Sometimes when you add effects, color corrections, or multiple layers, your playback may become laggy or choppy. Rendering helps Premiere create preview files so playback becomes smoother. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline, select the section you want to render by setting an in point at the beginning and an out point at the end of that section. You'll see the selected area highlighted on the timeline ruler. Now go to the top menu and click Sequence. From the drop-down menu, choose Render into Out. Premiere will now start rendering that selected portion. You'll notice a progress bar showing the render process. Once it's complete, the red render bar above your clips will turn green, indicating that the section has been rendered. Now press play. Playback should be much smoother because Premiere is using the rendered preview files instead of processing everything in real time. Rendering does not affect your final export quality. It only improves playback performance while editing. If you make changes later, that section may need to be rendered again. And that's it. You now know how to use render into out for smoother playback in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.